All right, so we are talking about this grill scrub brush today. First of all, stainless steel construction on this thing is really superior. You really feel like you're holding something substantial in your hand with this. This thing is thick, heavy, and really going to do some work on the grill, which I'm going to take you out in a little bit and show you that. I want to thank the company for sending this out to me. So I give you a test, a review, show you how it works. But like I said, really nice, heavy duty. Up here, these little grooves, these are going to fit into your grate on your grill, so you can scrape that really heavy duty buildup off of there. And the way this works, so that comes off and your head comes off here, so you can clean that, wash that, do whatever you need. Really nice feature. And again, you can see that nice heavy duty quality, thick stainless steel. So you just place that right there. You take your little cover, set it on right there, and just lock it, and you're ready to go. So that's what you get here. Also a nice little hook to hang from your grill there. Construction, the ergonomics of this thing to hold it are really nice. So let's get this out to the grill and show you how it cleans. All right, so here we are. We got our grill brush out here. I'm dipping it in the water. And let's get it on this grill. We got it up to 400 degrees. Let's get it clean. Oh yeah, so satisfying. And for any of that stubborn stuff, you just scrape that off. Awesome. So it's nice and prepped for the next time we come out here to the grill. Got it clean. This thing is awesome. Love it.